All right, guys. Yeah, we're back at it again. Still with Coach Lawrence. So now we're done with the push-up challenge. Yesterday we trained our legs, which was quite intense because we did it together. Now today we're still going to do a leg challenge. Now this is more of a HIIT exercise. We want to see who is going to check it out. We want to build that endurance and stamina. Let's see if you can go a long range squat. It's not about lifting heavy weights,
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to push yourself. Let's see, do you have the endurance? Do you have the stamina to go the long run? All right. So that's what we're doing now. So we're going for a squat challenge. All right. The ladder drill squat challenge. So join us. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you, bro.
All right. All right. Let's go down. We're not going to be flat-footed. We're going to be on our heels. All right, like this. In 3, 2, 1, go. In, out, move. In, out, move. In, out, move. Oh yeah. In, out, move. In, out, move.
It's good, man.
In, out, move. 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 In, out. All right, switch. Oh, you don't want to give up, huh?
No.
You want to beat me to this? All right, let's go. No, come this way. You did right the first time, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go left.
All right, yeah.
Go for left. Go down. 3, 1, go. In, out, move. In, out, move. In, out, move. Oh yeah. In, out, move.
Yes, going up is more intense, man.
Move. Come on. Woo. Move. Woo.
Come on, let's go, man.
Yeah.
Whoa. Let's go.
It's a 1-0, yeah? I see the revenge now. Ooh.
Oh.
All right. Come on, let's go.
Dad.
Let's go show them the quads. Oh, damn. My legs are cramping. Show us the quads. Ow, my legs are cramping. Yeah. Thank you. So, want to see you do this challenge, Tag your gym bro. Let's see you do this challenge. Thank you so much. From Global Body Goals, we say peace.
Peace, man.
Woo. Mama. Hey.